Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can change your Spotify website URL. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on shopify.com and right now I am on my dashboard. So right now, just go to the left side of your screen and then here you're going to find all of these sections. You're going to find the home section, orders, products, customers, content analytics, marketing, and discounts. And here you're going to find online store and point of sale. Right here in the bottom, you're going to find your settings. Go ahead and click on settings. And then, as you can see, guys, here in the left, you're going to find all of these settings. So, right now, if you go to general, here you're going to find store details. So, from here, as you can see, guys, you can change the name of your store from here. And then if you want to change your website URL, it's pretty easy. Just go here to the left. You're going to find general, plan, billing, users and permissions, payments, checkout, and so on. So right now search for domains. And then once you do that, right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find your current domain. And then here, as you can see guys, you're going to find change to a new myshopify.com domain. So if you want to change it, just give it a click and then you can just uh, search for your domain right here and then just click on add domain. And as you can see guys, it will be easily added. If you want to buy a domain, you can just click on buy a new domain from here, and then you can secure the perfect domain for you. Just search for the domain. For example, I'm going to search for tutorial, and then here you're going to find the available domains for your search. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.